in like you did, the one you did.
Okay.
Okay, so what you see behind me are two Can-Ams, those off-road things that we saw in the last video, and those things are, this right here, this bad boy right here is turbo. This one's not turbo, but they're still just as fast, and they're incredibly insane. Beautiful, beautiful pieces of machinery, very dangerous. Anyways, we're back here in the desert. I don't know what I'm gonna shoot. All I know is I'm gonna get some really cool footage, really good times with my family, and I'm going to introduce you to a couple other new additional friends. You know, like the owner of this thing right here, and of course my cuñado over here. And what you're listening to right now is actually rancheras. So there's more of that.
One of the legs. There's more legs over here.
I've never seen one.
Yeah.
Well, you still haven't because it's dead now.
Yeah. True. I can touch the bone.
This is where it smells. Woo! I think the coyotes did it.
Oh, watch out! Oh my God! Ah! We have actual glass now?
Yeah.
Are you gonna hit those things on top?
Yeah.
Alright, let's try this. So what we're doing, we just woke up. I miss my bed, like, I mean, I like sleeping on this RVs, it's really fancy and everything, but I miss my bed. I love my bed. So right now we're gonna witness Pablo load up the little BB gun thing and get down and dirty. See what happens.
Oh, you got a laser and a scope.
It's a laser, oh yeah, I see it.
Contar bote. Oh my God.
Págale con la año, Steve.
Pinche motherfucker, mira.
Pinche motherfucker.
Watch it. Nighttime hunting.
Nighttime is the right time? ¿A qué le vas a dar?
La botella de arriba. Va.
La botella? Ok, sí. ¡Eso!
¿Cómo ves?
¡Eso! En el último video que teníamos no le diste nada y ahora, mira.
No le pusiste. No, porque le cambié todo esto.
Ajá.
Le cambié el scope,
Ajá.
todo. Ahora, Pablo, sale.
Yeah? Let's see.
Vámonos.
Es una hechicera. Es una little motherfucker. Nice.
Chingo. No, sí, está bueno para tirar esto, vale.
¿Cómo?
¿Qué hubo?
¡Ah! Nice.
No, sí le diste.
to say it all started with when I was a kid. My dad, thank him, he got me into the sport, and I started with quads. I kind of made myself like, one day I'm gonna have that, you know, just like every kid, you know. It's a thing of camaraderie. Come out with your buddies, friends, family. You know, everyone's having a good time. You know, everyone loves it. The kids love it. So one connection that I can find between us, I've always been family oriented, so it brings everyone together, you know. So that's one thing with the desert, the toy. It's not so much about being able to, just you have the fastest toy, you have this, you have that, you know, it's not about that, it's just about bringing everyone together. So I think that's something big about this. And as we drove around, you'll see everyone with their family, friends, having a great time. It's all smiles out here, you know.
Dirt. My camera is full of dust right now. Like you guys saw the footage right now, and it's just a lot of dirt. He's doing donuts around me, which is not really recommended because people are out there is like, dude, you're stupid. Why in the middle of a car that could like literally run you over? But we did it in a very safe manner. We communicated before, so that way my safety is priority. His safety, that he doesn't run me over with such a machine. You know, such a beautiful trip. I really get off on stuff like this. You know, stuff that I'm honestly, it makes me scared, you know what I mean? Right in, get inside this thing, it's insanely scary. It just boils my blood in that sense. But it's, you know, what he was talking about too is, you know, it's about family, it's about connection, it's about just being out here and, you know, focusing on the most important thing. I think this is where the whole thing comes together and I have a story to tell. On top of that, I'm gonna be doing a lot of cleaning on my lens and my camera when I get home, that's for sure. But anyway, stay tuned, subscribe to this channel. There will be more things coming up in the near future. I don't know when, where, whatever, but I'm always up for new things. So, you know, go ahead and comment. Take care, guys.
Uh-oh. You all right? You all right?